Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your teacher Usman Ali, and we are here to discuss the solution of the second task of the cross-currency arbitrage numericals. Now, what I have done is actually I have already solved this question, okay? And I would recommend that you should watch this video after watching all the videos like task 1 video, task 3 video, task 4 video, so that you can get a practice of that, because in this video we're gonna discuss something which is beyond the scope of the previous videos actually. So I would highly recommend you to watch those videos first and then come back here. Now here, if you see, so we got 3 quotes, okay, and we supposed that we had 100,000 reals. So what I did was that I took the cross quote or cross multiplication. I was unable to actually cancel euro with euro because both of the euros were in the same place. Okay, so what I did was that I need to reverse it. I need to bring real down. Why real down? Because real was already down here. Okay, so once I bring the real down, euro up, so obviously this gonna also shuffle, 10 gonna come down. Euro was cancelled with euro and we got F's divided by real 10.51, and this is F's divided by real 10.81. okay, so if you see, cross quote is not equal to market quote, which means that there is arbitrage. And if you remember my previous video wordings, there is arbitrage. Someone somewhere can make profit out of it. So just remember these wordings: someone and somewhere can make profit out of it actually. But there is a small problem. The problem is that cross quote value is smaller than the market quote value. Unlike my other task 1, task 3, task 4, if you see those videos there, our cross quote value was greater than the market quote value. So it means there is some kind of problem here. So let's explore the new ways of solving it, okay? So what I did was that I then went for the direct method actually. Now as we had 100,000 reals, so obviously the very next currency of the quote is F. So means that the ultimate intention or objective is to convert 100,000 reals into Fs. So I have direct method of doing so and I have indirect method of doing so. Following the direct method, I converted 100,000 real into Fs. So this was the overall process, you know that. So I will get 1,081,000 Fs. Indirect method is I will convert real first to a third currency, which is euro in our example, and then from euro I will convert it to Fs. Or you can say our flow is this: real to euro and then euro to Fs actually. So first I converted 100,000 real into euro. Obviously there was a rule of currency in hand must be written at the bottom. So I had 100,000 real. This is in hand currency. I must bring it down. So I need to reverse it. And after reversal all this, I get 10,000 euros from 100,000 real. Okay. Then these 10,000 euros will be converted to Fs. So that's the exchange rate. I took it from here according to this blah. Okay, the whole process. I got 1,050,000, which is the B. Now if I see here, B is smaller than A. If I go indirect, I get 1,050,000. But if I go direct, I get actually 1,081,000. So it's better for me to go direct actually. Okay, so that's fine. We can have extra money if we go direct here. But the question here is that we said that when the cross quote is not equal to market quote, then going indirect gives arbitrage profits to us or extra money to us actually. So I just wanted to prove that point, that someone somewhere can earn profit. It's not that we are not earning profit, so everyone is not earning profit, because if we go indirect, so we are into losses if we go indirect. So, but it does not mean that if it's not profit for us, it's not profit for everyone. So what we do here is, our profit flow went wrong, real to euro, euro to Fs. So what I'm gonna do here is we gonna change our profit flow, okay? And from real to euro to Fs, I have shifted it and starting it from Fs instead of real, I'm now starting it with Fs. Fs to euro and then euro to real, okay? So I've just kind of like twisted this thing a bit, and let's see if we can get profit, okay, using the same data. The only thing is the starting point I have changed. Instead of having 100,000 real, I want to start with, let's say, 1 million of Fs actually. So by the way, this is the task 2 attempt A, and I want to give it another attempt just to prove my point that someone somewhere is earning profit actually. Okay, so it's the same data, nothing has been changed. The only thing I've changed is the starting point. Instead of having real in hand, now I have Fs in hand, let's suppose. And instead of real to euro, euro to Fs, excuse me, I've started with Fs to euro and euro to real this time. Okay, there is no need to calculate cross quote once again. That's already once done. That cross quote is not equal to market quote, no issue. Okay, so what I will do is that I will directly go to the direct method and the indirect methods actually. So no need to do the cross quote again. Okay, so let's see if we have any differences here or if any profit can be found here. Okay, so the direct method and the indirect method. The direct method would be that I had 1 million Fs and I want to convert these 1 million Fs into real actually. For that I will use the direct market quote, which is Fs divided by real is equal to 10.81. The rule was that currency in hand must be written at the bottom. So I have Fs in hand. I must bring this Fs down here. So I'm gonna shuffle that real by Fs, and this would become 1 divided by 10.81. Okay, if I divide it, I will get an answer that 1 Fs will be equal to 0.0925069. Okay, and so then 1 million Fs will be equal to quantity into rate. The quantity is 1 million and the rate is 0.0925069. Okay, so if I multiply this, I will get around 92,506.9 reals actually. This is what I will get if I go direct. Is this fine? I hope so. So let's go indirect. And if I go indirect, so obviously I'm gonna do 2 calculations here. Let me, okay, so let me our first conversion would be actually to convert these 1 million Fs into euro, and whatever euro we get, we're gonna convert that to real actually. So that is the indirect one. Now Fs to euro, we have Fs to euro here. Fs divided by euro is equal to 105. Okay, now the objective is actually to convert Fs to euro. So currency in hand must be written at the bottom, and F is not at the bottom, so I must reverse it, shuffle it so that I can bring it down. So this would become euro by Fs is equal to 1 divided by 105, which makes it 1 Fs is equal to 0.0095238 euros, and these are all rounded figures actually. Okay, so our 1 million Fs will be equal to quantity multiplied by rate. So the quantity is 1 million multiplied by the rate, which is 0.0095238. Okay, and the end result, if we multiply that, would be 9,523.8 euros actually. Okay, so which means that we got 9,523.8 euros, which we must convert to real in the end. Now we need an exchange rate of euro to real. This is a euro to real exchange rate. Real divided by euro is equal to 10. Again, the rule is currency in hand must be written at the bottom. So we got euro in hand and euro is already at the bottom. So no need of like this shuffling here or reversing here. We can directly write 1 euro is equal to 10 real. Or our 9,523.8 euros would be equal to the quantity into rate. The quantity is 9523.8 multiply, sorry, yeah, that's the quantity into the rate, which is 10. So we get here 95238 reals. This is our B, and that was our A. So if I compare B with A, so in A I get 92,000 and in B I get 95,000. So that's it. We got a profit here. So what was the whole purpose of that? If in real life you came across certain situation like this, that you got 100,000 reals and you wanted to make profit using the indirect method, the arbitrage flow, also the arbitrage, so obviously you will end up less because your cross quote was lesser than the market value. So in real life, obviously you cannot change things, and in real life you will not go indirect, you will directly go the direct method. Okay, but it's just to prove that point that whenever they are not equal, so there will be a profit. It's just you need to find, okay, so a profit flow for yourself. So, and I'm focusing on the indirect now. So this, if you can see, I just shuffled the real with F's position and we got profit here. Okay, another interpretation of this thing could be that there is actually profit flow here. Means arbitrage or this numerical purpose is just to tell you that how you should convert your currency to have extra cash in your hand. So that's it. We should not go indirect unless other numericals, and we should go direct and we will get extra cash in our hand. So this is the task number 2. I hope you got my point. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe.